Presenting a classic mixture problem. You want to mix medium roast with dark roast. The medium roast costs $6 per pound, the dark roast costs $8 per pound. If you're going to use exactly 400 pounds and sell the mixture for $7.25 per pound, we want to know how many pounds of medium roast and how many pounds of dark roast are you using. I suggest that you pause this, listen to that again, pause it, read the question until we understand it. Now if you don't understand it, we'll just call you a knack. We're going to use the seesaw method. Let's put the goal in the middle. Our goal is to sell this mixture at $7.25 per pound. We're going to mix some cheap stuff, the medium roast, at $6 per pound, with some expensive stuff, the dark roast, at $8 per pound. How far away is 6 from 7.25? $1.25. And how far away is 7.25 from 8? 75 cents. Well, that didn't hurt. How much of the medium roast are you using? Well, we don't know. Let's call it X. And I know how you are. You want to call this Y, but let's not. Let's not have two equations with two unknowns. There are 400 pounds total. Well, whatever's left over out of 400 will be the amount of dark roast. So, in this way, X is the number of pounds of medium roast, and we'll let the total minus whatever's used up be the number of pounds of dark roast. This way we're going to be able to write one equation with one unknown, and I don't have to think too hard. Let's do it. Our equation is going to use the distance and the amount, like the distance and the weight on a seesaw. That is, 1.25 times X will balance out 0.75 times the quantity 400 minus X. We can distribute. 0.75 times 400, that's 300. 0.75 times negative X, you can see it. We would combine like terms, but these are not alike. Let's get the X's together. Move X to the left using addition. Double something is 300. Divide by 2. It's almost a religious experience. Look, 150 is X. What was X? It was the number of pounds of medium roast. Have we answered the question? Well, the question was, how many pounds of each? If you had 400 pounds total, and you know that 150 pounds were medium roast, the difference is the dark roast. That's 250 pounds dark roast. Pretty good for a mixture problem.